Hello student, welcome to DSS online class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir, and today I present with the new video of present perfect tense of interrogative sentence. Dear student, you know well that interrogative sentence are those sentences that used to ask a question. Okay student? That sentence is known as interrogative sentence, and interrogative sentence is of two types. First type is yes no type of interrogative sentence, and second is WH type of interrogative sentence. So student, in this video we have discussed the rule of yes no type of interrogative sentence. Yes no type of interrogative sentence are those sentences that answer with yes or no. That sentence is known as yes no type of interrogative sentence. Now student, we discuss the rule or formula on which active voice of present perfect tense have been formed, बनाया जाता है. Now rule is, first of all we write has or had according to subject. Subject के according has या have को write करते हैं. If subject is in singular then we use has. If subject is in plural then we use have. Okay student? And after subject we write verb in third form. Perfect tense में verb को third form में write करते हैं. Then object and then etc. and at last question mark, because it is a interrogative sentence. Okay student? Now we discuss the rule and formula of passive voice. पैसिव वॉइस में कैसे इसको इंटरचेंज करते हैं, कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं, यह फार्मूला हम लोग पैसिव वॉइस में पढ़ेंगे. तो इन पैसिव वॉइस आल्सो वी राइट हैज और हैव अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग हैज या हैव को राइट करते हैं. एंड आफ्टर हैज एंड हैव we write being, because it is a rule. After object we write being, and after being we write verb in third form plus by plus subject plus etc. and at last question mark. Okay student? So these are the rules on we frame active voice and passive voice, and these rules also clear when we see the example. Okay student? First example is, have you finished your work? In this sentence you is the subject, finished is the third form of verb, and your work is the object. So student, first of all we write has or had according to object. Here object is your work. Therefore we write has. Here first of all we write has, and has then we write your work. Has your work, and after your work we write been, and after been we write third form of verb. Third form of verb is finished. Therefore we write finished, and then by, and here is the subject, and sub objective form of you also you. And at last question mark. So passive voice is has your work been finished by you? Okay, student. Now second example. Has she completed her task? In this sentence, she is the subject, completed third form of the verb, and her task is the object. So, object is her task. It is in singular. Therefore, we use has. Has her task been, and third form of the verb completed by. Here C is the subject and objective form of C is her. And at last question mark. And passive voice is has her task been completed by her? It is the passive voice of second sentence. Okay, student? Now third sentence. Third sentence. Have we played hockey? And in this sentence, we is the subject, played is the third form of the verb, and hockey is the object. Okay, student? So hockey is the object, therefore we use has because it is in singular. So first of all we write has hockey been played by. Here subject is we, therefore objective form of we is us. And at last question mark. So passive voice is has hockey been played by us? Okay, student? So this is the examples upon which these and these rules based. Okay. Hey students, welcome back. Now we will discuss the rule of interrogative sentence of WH type. WH type of interrogative are those interrogative that start with WH question word like what, when, where, how, etc. That interrogative is known as WH type of interrogative sentence. Okay, student? Now we discuss the formula and rule of WH type of interrogative sentence. Dear student, first of all we write WH question word. Okay, student? After WH question word we write has or had. And after has and have we write subject, and after subject we write verb in third form plus object plus etc. and at last question mark. Okay, student? Now this is formula of active voice. Active voice means the sentence we फ्रेम द सेंटेंस, सेंटेंस को हम फ्रेम करते हैं इस फॉर्मूले के अकॉर्डिंग. नाउ फॉर्मूला एंड रूल ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस, हाउ वी इंटरचेंज sentences into passive voice. So this is the formula. Okay, in passive as, first of all, we write W as question word, and after W as question word, we write has or had plus object, and has and have is written according to object. And after object, we write be, then was in third form, then by, then subject, then etc. And at last question mark. Okay, student? So this is the rule. And when we look the examples, these rules as very clear and easy. An example is, when has your mother cooked the food? In this sentence, first of all, we write W as question word when. Okay, student? And after when, object is the food. The food is object. Therefore, we write has. When has the food, and after object we write been. Then third form of the verb. Third form of the verb is cooked. So here we write cooked. And by your mother is the subject, then we write your mother, and at last question mark. Okay, student? So the passive voice is, when has the food been cooked by your mother? Okay, student? Now, second example. Why has she written a letter? Okay, student. First of all, we write why, and a letter is the object. Therefore, we write has. Why has a letter been? Why has a letter been? And third form of the verb written. So we write written by, and she is the subject, and objective form of she is her. And then passive voice is, why has a letter been written by her? And at last question mark. So student, this is a very simple rule and example to learn the passive voice of present perfect tense of interrogative sentences. And I hope you understand these rules and formula with the help of example, and after that you can make a good note according to these rules and examples, and you can also make a passive voice of present perfect of interrogative sentence. Okay, thanks for watching the video.